Okay, question 10. Solve for x by completing the square. Here's our function, x squared plus 8x equals 33. Now, since this is a quadratic, I really want to deal with the squared first. But when we're doing complete the square, step 1 is always to take half of whatever number is in front of x. So in this case, we have an 8 here. So my first step is going to be divide that 8 by 2 and put that in parentheses to create my perfect square trinomial. Now, the next step I'm showing you is just why this always works. So if I take x minus 4 times x minus 4 and distribute, I get x squared minus 4x, negative 4x plus 16, and I bring in my CLT line. My result is x squared minus 8x plus 16. So now I wrote the left-hand side of my equation as a perfect square trinomial. And the reason that this matters is because the only difference between this expression and this expression is that plus 16. And the skill is to just take this number right here. Negative 4 squared is plus 16. So by taking half of the 8, writing that as a perfect square trinomial, I can actually jump straight to the next step of saying, if I'm adding 16 to this side by squaring the 4, I add 16 to this side over here. So we don't have to write all these steps every time. I just want you to know where this expression came from. We take half of the 8 to get the 4, we put it inside parentheses and square it. Now I want to clean this up. So I add 36 and 16 and I get 49. So x minus 4 squared equals 49. So now, to get x alone, we want to take the square root of both sides. So the square root left, we just have x minus 4. To square root the right, the square root of 49 is 7. But notice what I did. I have a plus or minus 7 because there's always 2 possible answers. So now I'm going to write 2 separate equations. Either x equals positive 7 and we add 4 to the other side, or x equals negative 7 and we add 4 to the other side. Now we just combine 7 and 4. One of our solutions is x equals 11. The other one is x equals negative 3. And that's the 2 answers you will always get when you use complete the square for question number 10.